Hey everyone, welcome back to the Not Sinking Yet YouTube channel. Join me in Massachusetts as I hike up mountains, kayak, and get a little bit closer than I want to a bear. You can park up at the top of Mount Greylock, and that's what we did. Walking up right now, if you look to the left, you'll see the actual war memorial that they put up there, and we'll go in it in a second. This is just basically an iron map of the mountains around the area. So this is the top of Mount Greylock. Crazily enough, people actually do base jump, and they wing glide off of that spot that I'm looking at. You also get a really good view of the whole town from the top of this mountain. This is the Veterans War Memorial Tower. It's about 92 feet tall. Not great for somebody like me who's scared of heights, but it is really, really cool. It looks a lot like a lighthouse, and it does actually have a beacon at the top, but it is still considered a tower. It's cool.
Good job.
That's the first time I made it all the way to the top, man.
Still went down.
Thanks. That's pretty.
Yeah, because my camera can catch the. You guys have a great.
You too. Take care.
Yep, thank you.
I'll put my phone and focus on this, huh?
I'm guessing that's the lodge they were talking about.
Maybe stand closer to.
No, because it's over there.
There, if you touch the circle on that area, it'll
It
focus.
doesn't affect it.
Ah.
Oh, well, I try to, yeah, maybe yours will do it. See, because by itself, It's great. Look at that. It's doing great. Look at that.
Once we finished at Mount Greylock, we started to get really hungry, so we went to this place called Tio's. They make really, really good mini hot dogs. Honestly, the best I've ever had. So, for the rest of this video, I'm going to be keeping track of how many I ate the entire trip. It's called the Tio's count. Day 2, I went out kayaking to an island by where we were staying, and I ran into something I didn't expect. Like a spot right there. I could maybe get up. Huh? Hey, yeah, see the leaves? That's Mount Greylock right over here, which I went up yesterday. These people did their names on the trees. There's a black bear. Alright, I'm okay. First off, that's my fault for being where that black bear was. I didn't see any tracks or anything, but you know, that's where he lives. That's not his fault for being there. I don't know if I caught any video of it. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's beautiful. See, I've never seen a black bear up close like that. That's crazy. There's the bear watching me, just in case you didn't see him in the first part of the video. They hadn't seen one on the island in years, so was not expecting one. The next morning, I put my GoPro out to see if I could just catch the bear walking up the island again. I didn't put myself in danger or anything like that. And I can tell you guys, after a couple of hours, that bear was definitely gone. Never saw him again, but really cool. After a couple of days, it was finally time for me to say goodbye. I really enjoyed this trip and had a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!